Hello kids, welcome to your EVS class. Here I am back with a new topic to discuss with you. So, let's get started. Children, our today's topic is my school. Children, what is a school? A school is a place where we all start our learning. Apart from learning to read, write and excel in academics, school also teaches us valuable life lessons that we can incorporate in our daily lives. It is the place where the foundation of our knowledge and morals are laid. So let's have a look at a few things that are worth remembering about our school. Let's get started. This is my school. The name of my school is Cambridge International School. It is located at Loharka Road in Amritsar. My school has a well-built and a beautiful building. Let's walk in and take a look. This is school's entry area where you can see the fleet of buses. When we move ahead, we reach the reception area where you can get your queries sorted and you can get the information from the teachers there. This is our school's medical room where the medical officer takes care of all those kids who are unwell. And yeah, this is our school's kindergarten where we all learn to read and write. This is the place where we all laugh, cry, fight, share and support our classmates. There is the facility of smart boards in all the classes of my school. The students are taught in an interactive way by showing different audio visuals. In addition, my whole school has the Wi-Fi connections, which is the need of the hour in today's era. My school has one computer lab on every floor in the school, and we are given the chance to do computing twice a week. The school has a very big playground where we all can do the outdoor games. And this is the play area for the kindergarten where there are a lot of swings for the kids to enjoy. My school also has a big library where you can sit and read books. And kids, we have one dance room on every floor in the school where the dance teachers teach us both classical and western dance. And in addition to it, we have a music room also. Kids, this is my school's resource room where the children perform different hands-on activities and they learn by a playway method. And here we go. This is the school's big auditorium. The school organizes different cultural programs here and the students also get the pleasure of watching some fun movies sometimes. And kids, you will be happy to know that my school also has a half Olympic size swimming pool. Dear kids, my school supports co-education where the boys and the girls study together. The teachers here are very kind and cooperative with everyone. So children, school is the place where we make friends for life. We spend the best times of our lives here. We must treat our schools with respect as these are the places for worship for a student. So kids, that's all for your topic of my school. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.